Want the perfect gift for your partner this Valentine's Day? The smartest wallet is here. Vegan leather. Can hold up to 15 plus cards and cash. How you may ask? Like this.
With some ice around my neck. Shitting on my ex. On to the next. He know this pussy good cause he always come back. I like diamonds shining. Fly me to an island.
Another style in the aluminum collection. No more bulky wallets and digging for cards. Get yours now, link in my bio, and use the code Ayana for a discount.
Cause all the pretty girls walk like this.